Out here at Brushy, baby. Out here at Brushy with Dad and my brother. My brother got a freaking 2023 KTM 250X. Oh, am I on the wrong side? Oops. He got a freaking 250XC. Woo! Haven't ridden this thing in a minute though. This thing's feeling good. It could use, whoa. It could use some maintenance. I definitely put it away a little wet after the whole little couple race season I did. But yeah, here's the MX track. Let's show him this. We made it up to the little MX track. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, we're gonna need to take it easy for a minute here, and this track is rough. But I remember there's like that little set of jumps over there. That is the one fun part. He almost crashed. Yeah, this track is rough. Woo! Oh my God. Alright, well that's beat. I wonder if this little set of jumps is good though. I'm gonna roll it first. Because this little set of jumps can actually be pretty fun. Ooh! Okay. Then you go boom, drop down, and drop down. Okay. It's a little beat up, but I want to do it still. Woo! That's probably the biggest one. I might have to wait to hit this guy. Woo! Alright, we'll warm up a little bit before we get too ahead of ourselves. We've been out for like a whole 2 minutes. Woo! Oh yeah, it's a little muddy, but kind of perfect too. Whoa! That hurt. So yeah, this will be the third time I've been here. Whoa. This will be the third time I've been here. And the first time I came, I was just riding for fun like this. And the second time was for a race. So those 2 times were like completely different experiences. Didn't get to hit the hill climb when I came back for the race that one time. And that spot's fun. Damn, that bike's sexy. Rocky! Woo! Feeling good today. Been a minute since I've been on a 2-stroke 250. Let's get it! Easy way. We'll start off with this. Getting down warmed up. Woo! So yeah, I don't even know what trail we're on. We got a map, but I do not even know what trail we're on. Oh yeah, I love it. I haven't really been in a mountainy type area since West Virginia. Something different about riding in the mountains with the elevation change and the switchback. So much fun. Got a little danger sign here. All right, let's check it out. Okay, just a couple rocks going down, nothing too crazy. Oh, there's a couple different ways. We'll go this way.